is everybody? I am back once again, and today I'm doing a hair tutorial. As you can see, I'm going to be doing my natural hair today, and I'm just going to do a cute little style that you guys can try out. It's pretty easy if you know how to cornrow. If you don't, you can alternate it with flat twists. If you don't know how to do that, I don't know what to tell you, but hopefully you can pick up on some things with this video. So first, my hair is semi-clean. I washed it not too long ago, but I've been wearing it in cornrows for a while because I was wearing a wig. But I mostly just had my hair tied up because of the quarantine and I wasn't going anywhere. So it's pretty much stretched out from that. When I washed it, I did blow it out and then I braided it up. So that's what you're looking at right here. So we're gonna start by sectioning off our different spots. Please excuse my old raggedy comb because that's all I could find. That's all Kia had to give me was a series of raggedy combs. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with the part down the middle. So what I'm gonna do is 2 cornrows going down the middle, around the front, and then back. So let's part that out. Actually, it's gonna help if I have one of these sections out of the way. So today I'm going to use this pure avocado moisturizer from Curl Mix. I just bought this, actually it's been a few months, but I haven't really had a chance to use it. So this is my first time using their moisturizer, and it's the vanilla berry fragrance. So I'm going to take, preferably you should take a little less than that, but oops. I'm going to apply that. Now this next step might be kind of counterproductive, but I'm gonna use gel, another Old Faithful Eco Styler gel. Remember when everybody was talking about canceling Eco Styler gel? Not I. Did a video on it. I'm still gonna do it. I'm still gonna use it. Kia, shut up. Okay, this is not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be cute, I promise. Oh my God, I don't know how to comb my hair backwards. It's not the prettiest cornrow, but it's a cornrow. So now I'm gonna do the other side, finish this side. So you can see, not excited about the way the middle came out, but we're just gonna keep it moving. Alright, so we're back. Now I'm gonna work on my 2 puffballs. Once again, I'm taking my moisturizer from Curl Mix, applying it especially to the ends. I'm gonna add Eco Styler just to the perimeter. Oh, I got hair all over my hand. Now I'll take the scrunchie to make a ponytail. Make sure you pull this braid in that I almost forgot. What I'm gonna do back here is it's pretty much the same thing. I might add a little more Eco Styler gel towards the ends because I want to make sure I have some curls or some kind of definition down there. If you want, you could spritz your hair with some water to get some curls going, but I want to keep the stretch. I want my hair to shrink up, so I'm not going to do the water, I'm just going to do the moisturizer. Take 2 fingers of Eco Styler gel. Alright, so now we got this like Scary Spice kind of thing going on. And what we're going to do is take these puffs and make some buns with them. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking the end and twisting that, because you really want to keep that, see how it's thick at the top? You want to keep that. So just wrapping the ends to gather it together. Wrap it around itself kind of loosely. And then once you get around the back, and take a hairpin. Please ignore all the strands of hair I have on my hands. And just gonna pin that in. I don't like the way it's like sticking up right there, so I'm gonna take another hairpin and just pin that part down like that. Just make sure you tuck your pins in so they're not sticking out and you can't really see them. There we go. Alright, so now I've added these little thingamajigs to my hair to jazz it up, and finally I'm going to do my edges. Alright, so this is pretty much the final look. I'm not crazy about the braids, but I guess the lesson here is if all else fails and your cornrows are looking kind of funky, just add some little decoration to take away from that, and overall I think it's a really cute look. One thing Kia just gave me the idea for is you actually could put all your hair up into the 2 buns, which I think will be even cuter, and I'm actually going to do that right now. What if I stuck some little pieces in here? I ain't gonna do it. I'm just, know when to call it quits. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you like these hairstyles. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you want to see more hair tutorials, make sure you give this a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do plan on being a lot more consistent now that we're on lockdown and I have absolutely nothing else to do. So I might as well be consistent on my YouTube, right? Alright, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you don't miss a video, and I will see you guys in the next one.